Starting around 25 November 2023, Chilliz truly is exchanging at $0.0761 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.23% in especially essentially most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner incredibly. CHZ truly has a fundamentally genuinely complete market cap of $578,362,382 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $48,895,848, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. This generally makes Chilliz, CHZ, truly positioning at 80 in the digital money market, which ridiculously is very critical in a genuinely enormous manner. In the event that you sort of explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Chilliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chilliz sort of be truly in every practical sense worth in 2023 in an essentially especially large manner, which is genuinely huge? Is Chilliz a genuinely wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will CHZ cost especially truly outperform its untouched kind of especially high in an unobtrusive manner? These for the most part basically are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ's future, pretty truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023, as per the Chilliz gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the CHZ cost especially is supposed to in a real sense in every way that really matters, cross a decently most certainly normal value level of $0.0821, the normal especially least value worth of Chilliz, toward the finish of the kind of exceptionally current year, ought to basically be $0.0784. Which truly is genuinely huge in a kind of significant manner. Besides, CHZ can explicitly arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of $0.0852 in an unpretentious manner in a significant way. Chilliz value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Chilliz sort of fundamentally is supposed to in a real sense be at around a for the most part in every practical sense least of $0.0722, exhibiting how this explicitly makes Chilliz, CHZ, decently truly positioning at 80 in the digital currency market, reasonably truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. In spite of mainstream thinking, Chilliz cost can fundamentally really arrive at a genuinely limit of $0.0812, with the pretty essentially normal cost of $0.0790 in United States dollars, or so they especially basically thought. CHZ value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Chilliz essentially truly is determined to in a real sense be at around a sort of least worth of $0.0784 in a decently most certainly large manner amazingly. The Chilliz value worth can entirely arrive at a pretty especially limit of $0.0852, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.0821 in United States dollars, which for the most part in a real sense is genuinely critical. Chilliz in every practical sense, extremely past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Chilliz's cost truly generally has shown a pretty decent increment of 1.68% in the entirely most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner, or so they for the most part thought. From reasonably kind of most recent 7 days, the CHZ in a real sense basically was in especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.59%, showing that besides CHZ can explicitly arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $0.0852 in an especially certainly enormous manner in an unpretentious manner. Chilliz actually certainly has shown extremely in every practical sense solid actually quite potential of late. And this could be somewhat genuinely great chance to fundamentally dive right in and contribute, which entirely shows that besides CHZ can in every practical sense really arrive at in every way that really matters, certainly greatest value level of $0.0852 in an unobtrusive manner. Which sort of is very critical. Inside the by and large most certainly most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ essentially explicitly diminished by 45.530%. Wiping out an astounding most certainly in every way that really matters, normal amount of $0.0637 from its genuinely current worth in an unpretentious manner in a fundamentally significant way. This unexpected down sort of in every practical sense implies that the coin by and large generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be a sort of good for the most part purchase an open door for genuinely fast speculation. So Chilliz by and large extremely past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Chilliz cost truly has shown an especially excellent increment of 1.68% in the sort of most recent 24 hours, which especially is very huge. The 90 days cost change actually in a real sense is near 44.74%, and the cost generally sort of coursed from a kind of least truly normal cost of $0.1284 to truly greatest essentially truly normal cost of $0.1411 in the very fundamentally beyond 90 days, which most certainly by and large is genuinely critical, which is very huge. Chilliz sort of truly is somewhere near 27.13%, with the kind of greatest sort of kind of normal cost of the coin, sort of for the most part was around $0.1116, and the actually by and large least genuinely normal cost of especially was around $0.1077 and decently beyond 4 months, showing how Chilliz passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Chilliz cost explicitly truly has shown a genuinely very great increment of 1.68% in the for the most part most recent 24 hours, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking, or so they in a real sense thought. Chilliz value estimate 2023 facts. What will generally all things considered be Chilliz quite worth in 2023, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking in an unpretentious way. The CHZ cost by and large truly is gauged to basically certainly arrive at a greatest degree of $0.0852, with fundamentally least cost of $0.0784 toward the finish of 2023, showing how Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023, as per the Chilliz gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the CHZ cost quite is supposed to explicitly essentially cross an essentially kind of normal value level of $0.0821, the normal kind of truly least value worth of Chilliz toward the finish of the very by and large current year should sort of generally be $0.0784 in an unpretentious manner, or so they thought. Does Chilliz for the most part sort of have a future, which basically is very huge? As far as value, Chilliz especially in a real sense has an extraordinary fundamentally in every way that really matters potential to generally arrive at new levels, showing how the 90 days cost change in every way that really matters in a real sense is near 44.74%, and the cost for the most part certainly circled from a genuinely least truly normal cost of $0.1284 to essentially truly greatest decently truly normal cost of $0.1411 in the beyond 90 days, essentially lovely in spite of prevalent thinking, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. It varies figure that CHZ will increment in esteem, in every practical sense, kind of additional appearance, how these essentially are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ's future in an unobtrusive manner in a sort of significant manner. As per genuinely unambiguous specialists and business investigators, Chilliz can actually generally raise a ruckus around town all goals and purposes, greatest cost of $2.74